State whether the following statements are true for all natural numbers. X raised to n minus y raised to n is divisible by x minus y, where x minus y is not equal to 0. Now, we'll check three hypothetical cases by assuming values. Okay, so let's have x equal to 8, y equal to 5, and n equal to 2. Okay, so the statement becomes 8 square minus 5 square. Now 8 square minus 5 square, that is 64 minus 25, which comes out to be 39. Now according to the statement, 39 should be divisible by x minus y. So 8 minus 5 is 3. So we can see here 39 is divisible by 3. So the statement holds true for these values of x, y, and n, where all these three are natural numbers and x minus y is not equal to 0. So this is true. Now let's take another hypothetical value, x equal to 7, y equal to 5, and n equal to 3. Okay, so cube 7 cube minus 5 cube. 7 cube is 343 minus 5 cube, that is 125. Now 343 minus 125, that comes out to be 218. Now this should be divisible by 7 minus 5, that is 2. Now 218 is an even number and this difference is 2. So therefore we can conclude that the given statement is true for these values of x, y, and n as well. Now let's take another hypothetical value. Let's put x equal to 3, y equal to 1, and n equal to 4. So it becomes 3 raised to 4 minus 1 raised to 4. Now 3 raised to 4 is 81 minus 1, that is 80. Now 80 should be divisible by 3 minus 1, that is 2. So we can see 80 is even number, it is divisible by 2. So therefore this statement is true with these assumptions as well. So therefore we can conclude that the given statement is true for all natural numbers.